12-volt 100Ah battery module production process. Prismatic battery cells fixed in metal module. Will be in the process of laser welding by laser welding machine. Use stick for ensuring each laser welding point is well welded. Fix the signal coaxial wires with rivets, which more reliable than the process using screws. Semi-production with EMS. Ready to ship radio and wooden cases. 12-volt 100Ah LiFePO4 battery application. Solar home ESS, RV power supply. Welcome inquiries.